Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video, and if you're new on my channel, please go ahead and do me the honors of subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Today we're going to be making some banana fritters. Yes, this quick and simple delicious banana fritters, so stay tuned and keep on watching. So we're going to start off with our main ingredients, which is the bananas, and they should be overripe. We're going to peel them, and then we're going to put them in this bowl, and I'm going to use my potato masher to mash them until they're somewhat liquefied, and then we're going to add our other ingredients. So I found these other bananas in the fridge as well. I am going to add them and continue mashing. So now I'm going in with my fork to make sure that there's no big lumps in here, and yeah, just want to make sure that it's nice and refined. So now that my bananas are somewhat liquefied, I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla for flavor. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon and a half teaspoon of nutmeg. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you're using like the really sweet bananas, you don't necessarily have to add any sugar, especially if you're using honey bananas. So you may want to take that in consideration. I am going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to add my 3.5 cups of flour. So after adding my salt, I went in with my flour and I gradually add my flour until I have my desired consistency. So what I'm looking for is a balance between the banana and the flour. I don't want the banana to overpower the flour, and I don't want the flour to overpower the banana. If there's more banana than flour, then it's gonna be soft and you won't be able to turn it when it's in the pot because it's gonna be too mushy. So what I did is try to balance out everything. So I added 3.5 cups of flour in all. Now I'm adding 3/4 cups of oil to my pot, and I have it on high heat. After it's heated, I'm going to turn it down to medium. Alright, so I'm just testing the oil to see if it's ready, and it's ready, so I'm just going to drop them with my spoon. Alright, so some countries do their fritters different, so I'm just putting that out there, but this is how Jamaicans make their fritters. You just use a spoon, lift it up, drop it in the pot, and fry them on both sides until they're nice and golden brown. So I gave them about 2 minutes on each side, and I had my oil heated on high heat, and then I turned it down on medium, which was number 4. So yeah, it's now ready, and they were super delicious. So when you have your overripe bananas, please don't throw them out, just make some fritters. If you have never tried this before, just go ahead and make some fritters. You have nothing to lose. All right, so I'm just gonna finish off the batch, and then I'm gonna plate them. So there you have it, guys. Nice delicious banana fritters. This is my plate, and I did enjoy it. You don't need any meat at all because these are sweet. So all you need is a cup of fever grass tea or some hot chocolate. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to show some love and stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.